Quiet country living at its best. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath shouse with open, unique rustic interior. Amazing laundry/pantry area with tons of cabinets and washer/dryer that stay. Open kitchen with island and appliances that stay. Jack and Jill bath for second and third bedroom. Master suite with walk-in closet with built-in organizers, jet tub and separate shower. Bonus space over oversized attached garage perfect for second family room, office, or rec room. Hidden door to basement area with Murphy bed that stays, perfect for storms. 11 acres with lots of trees, trails, creek, fire pit, and stocked pond right out your front door. Shop area in machine shed. Just minutes from Sedalia in Smithton School District. Come take a look. Please submit offers no later than 12 p.m. on Thursday, June 17 with a response deadline no earlier than 7 p.m. on Thursday.